Multiple analysts have already expected Jasmy to surge way beyond its all-time high of $5 because of the Japanese yen digital currency that is going to be made and is going to be a stablecoin. Now this is going to be so crucial because this stablecoin is going to be of the Jasmy ecosystem, which will be used on the Jasmy platform. This is also huge because it's going to be pegged to the Japanese yen and will be used to pay for services and products on the Jasmy platform, such as access to data, the use of applications, and participation in rewards. Now, of course, this is massive because this is going to combine Jasmy, also known as the Japanese Bitcoin, and the actual Japanese government currency together. And what's even bigger is this is going to reveal one of the largest global partnerships between a cryptocurrency and an entire government. In fact, the stablecoin will be built on the Jasmy chain blockchain. So basically, the Japanese digital yen is going to collaborate with Jasmy Labs to go ahead and form this digital currency that is going to be wide scale used. And again, it does say here that it will be pegged to the Japanese yen by a reserve mechanism, and the reserve of Japanese stablecoin will be the Japanese yen. The yen will be deposited into a separate bank account and will be monitored by an independent third party. Jasmy's stablecoin is a key part of the Jasmy strategy and will enable the company to offer more affordable, accessible services, products to users. So this is a massive, major expansion. It's a massive and a major expansion. That's why I use both. That being said, moving forward to the next one, and this is, again, we've talked about this in the previous video, but the Binance buyback is humongous. Really, this is not a buyback, this is buying for the markets. But Binance has recently bought over 330 million Jasmy coins, giving you a total balance of over 7.3 billion Jasmy owned by the Binance exchanges. But this is only the beginning, and we're going to jump straight into the rest of the content as soon as we do our daily market update. But before we do that, let me remind you guys that I'm hosting a massive Jasmy giveaway, and it is extremely easy to enter. All you're going to have to do is tap that like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, and share this video to your friends and family. Once you've done that, you will go ahead and enter the giveaway. Keep in mind that you can actually go ahead and partake in the giveaway on any account, meaning even if you have more than one YouTube channel that you can subscribe on and you can like and share from, you will be entered into the giveaway multiple times and you'll still be able to win. So don't forget to hop on your accounts, subscribe to the channel, tap the like button, and good luck to all of you. Moving forward, we start off today's Jasmy market update at a price of 0.003322, which is up about 0.99, almost 1 entire percent in the last 24 hours. When looking at the market cap as well, almost 1% increase at 162.5 million. The transaction volume is actually down in the last 24 hours, about 38.66%, bringing it to about 16.2 million. With the volume to market cap ratio being at 10.13% and the circulating supply sitting at about 4.9 billion with a total supply of 50 billion. Charts in the last 24 hours are actually up here, as you guys can see, but generally I'd like to project it and say sideways, with a bullish breakout expected to happen very soon. Now again, this is based on the chart analysis end of things. Now let's jump into the juicy content. Fresh font that jumps right into the analysis, sitting Jasmy's Adam and Eve on the micro 1 mil. If this were to play out, look for a slow grind back up to 0.007 in the next 5 months. Price would then meet the line EMA 12 at a pattern maturity and blast through it to complete the setup. Again, wishful thinking, but there is potential here on the 1 minute chart that there is a massive pump that is going to come to Jasmy. Again, here's the Adam and Eve pattern, which you guys can see, which means you're going to have this pump, then you're going to have a massive breakthrough, and it seems like we are likely to have that happen and it cross the yellow line. Now, overall, it makes sense. As the utility of Jasmy increases, the price will be significantly increasing with it. Specifically, as we see companies begin to possibly partner with Jasmy. One of those companies is the Rencom network, with their native token being RNT. Basically, the Rencom network is a multinational institution that owns rentable assets all across the globe. They have a strict payment method, only being RNT, and so all of the rentable asset renters have to pay in this cryptocurrency, the RNT cryptocurrency, to be able to rent any of their properties or their vehicles or any of those sort of rentable assets. So it's a utility-based coin with very little supply. I think it sits at around 100 million total supply, 50 million is a reward system that they have, which basically every end of the year or every 11 months, if you're holding the coin for 11 months, you get 10% return back, which is again a great system that they have. And that is 50 million out of a total 100 million supply. The other 50 million is out for circulating supply. And out of that, the company has just announced that they're releasing a rentable asset protocol and will be locking 10 million of the RNT coins, meaning that 20% of the total circulating supply is going to be locked up, leaving a tiny bit of supply left. Now, again, their supply is already extremely small comparative to any other cryptocurrency in the market, and this lockup just makes it even smaller. Now, RNT coin has skyrocketed over 30,000%. In fact, I had told you guys about this coin when it was sitting at around a cents 50, basically a small, cheap. I think you could buy, 100 for about $1.50, and now this coin has skyrocketed to 50 cents. And what makes this so impressive is that this is only the beginning of the project. The project is still brand new. It is still sitting dirt cheap, and the breakout pattern that had happened before it skyrocketed 30,000% has just once again appeared right now. Meaning now it is projected using the technical analysis that thankfully we were able to get correct last time, because the charts repeat themselves and because we told you it's going to happen, all the patterns showed that it's going to happen. It's showing again, so it's now projected it's going to surge another 30,000%, where analysts are now confirming that this coin is projected to hit around $7 to $14 within a matter of weeks. Now, just imagine a partnership with the RNT coin, where Jasmy and RNT partner. You're looking at making possibly Jasmy do a similar pump, even if it's not to the degree that RNT is, where RNT is skyrocketing 30,000%. This is not very common. There's very rare, cryptocurrencies. And this is one of the golden gems, and this is what makes RNT so impressive, is that even in a bear market, it's skyrocketing this amount of percentages. Imagine in a bull market, this coin is going to fly to, $200-300 at the minimum. So this is extremely bullish. Now, I will leave, the Flu's link, the exchange links, if you guys want to check out RNT coin. But the point here is that this coin, if it partners with Jasmy, we are going to see one freaking massive pump for Jasmy as a result. And again, RNT has already been skyrocketing, and it's still very early. Like I said, the bullish pattern has started again. So we're looking at another massive breakout. And this is why I'm extremely bullish about this coin right here. And I've done my fair share of research. That I want to make clear. Again, I'm not a financial or legal advisor and never invest based on anything I say. I do my research, and you should do your research too. Throughout my research, I figured out basically that this is 100% utility-based coin, has low supply, they're very reliable, and they have a very bright future ahead. They're basically pending applications in over 130 countries, and they are expanding into a wide variety of rentable assets, basically dominating the entire rentable asset space by them being a crypto blockchain company. And again, if you are still brand new to the project, they actually are offering some type of reward system where you get a little bit of RNT here. You can go on their website, rentcomnetwork.com, and click the claim RNT button. But the point here is that I'm freaking filling my bag. I actually just bought the dip earlier after I seen this breakout pattern, and I'm projecting this coin through my personal analysis. Again, not financial advice. Don't invest based on anything I say. But my analysis says that we're looking at maybe this coin hitting between, $5 to $7 within a matter of days, $7 to $14 within a matter of weeks. And this is not what I'm saying. These are multiple other experts that I've talked to that have all stated the same thing. There is a massive pump coming for this coin. Huge breakout, and there are going to be multi-millionaires made as a result. And what makes things so much exciting is that if Jasmy ends up partnering with a government institution, and it does seem like they are within regards to the Japanese yen that is going to be built on the Jasmy ecosystem, on the Jasmy chain, and Jasmy ends up partnering with the Rentcom Network RNT coin, that would be a freaking double whammy, meaning, Jasmy is going to surge in value and skyrocket, and also make a lot of people a lot of money. But the bullish thing about this is these are two golden gems, RNT number one, Jasmy number two. Both of these coins have so much potential, and if Jasmy is able to partner with RNT as well, we are going to see a huge pump in the Jasmy price as a result. And this is why you can probably tell that I'm extremely excited, because these are my two favorite coins, RNT and Jasmy. And if they partner, we're going to have this ultimate wealth generating machine that is basically going to create generational wealth as a result. We may in fact even see Jasmy hit its all-time high at around $5 and maybe even surpass it. That being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to tap the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.